Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about the different techniques in different techniques in sorting. Sorting it is the process of arranging the data in either ascending or descending formats. There are many different techniques are used to sort the data. We can discuss the each method in details. First one is we can have to see the algorithms. First one is a bubble sort. Bubble sort it is the simplest sort method which is performs the sorting by repeatedly moving the largest element to the highest index of the array. It comprises of comparing each element to its adjacent element and replace them accordingly. Second one is a bucket sort. Bucket sort is also known as a bin sort, and it works by distributed the element into array. So it is called as it's called bucket. In this sorting algorithm, buckets are sorted individually by using the different sorting algorithm. Third one is comb sort. Comb sort is the advanced form of the bubble sort. Bubble sort compares all the adjacent values, while comb sort remove all the total values or small values near the end of the list. And fourth one is the counting sort. It is the sorting techniques based on the keys. That is, objects are collected according to keys, which are small integers. Counting sort calculates the number of the objects and store its key values. New array is formed by adding the previous key elements and assigning to objects. Fifth one is the heap sort. In a heap sort, mean heap or max heap is the maintained from the array elements, and it is the choice, and the elements are sorted by deleting the root element of the heap. Sixth one is a insertion sort. As the name is suggest, insertion sort means insert each element of the array to its proper place, and it is a very simple sort method which is used to arrange the deck of cards while playing bridge. Seven is a merge sort. Merge sort follows the divide and conquer approach, in which the list is first divided into the sets of equal elements, and then each half of the list is sorted by using merge sort. The sorted list is combined again to form an elementary sorted array. Eighth one is a quick sort. Quick sort is most optimized sort algorithms to perform the sorting in a O in bracket n log n comparisons, like merge sort, quick sort also work by using a divide and conquer approaches. Next one is a radix sort. In a radix sort is a sorting is done as we do sort the names according to their alphabetical order. It is the linear sorting algorithm used to integers. Next one is selection sort. Selection sort finds the smallest element in the array and place it on the first place on the list. Then it finds the second smallest element in the array and place it on the second place. This process is continuously until all the elements are moved to their correct positions and correct ordering. It carries running time ON2, which is a worst than insertion sort. Next one is the shell sorts. Shell sort is the generalization of the insertion sort, which overcomes the drawbacks of the insertion sort by comparing elements separated by a separated by gap of several positions. Uh, these all the methods are used in the sortings.